Waec question 4 says, an object projected at an angle to a level ground has time of flight of 4 seconds to move through steel A. Calculate the maximum height attained by the object, and G is given. Okay, so we are being given time of flight to be 4 seconds, and G is given, and we are asked to calculate the maximum height attained by the object. We are going to apply two methods in solving this, and the first method, this is the expression h equals to a half gt square. H equals to a half gt square, and the h there represents the maximum height. G is the value of the acceleration due to gravity, and t is the time for the object to get to the maximum height. So that's one portion of the journey, but in the equation we were given the time of flight, which is the time for the projectile to get to the highest height and then come back to the ground again. That's what they mean by time of flight. So for us to obtain t, we have to divide the time of flight by 2. Alright, so let's apply this expression. T, small t, equals to the time of flight all over 2. The time of flight, as I said, is the time for the projectile to go up, get to the maximum height, and then come back to the same horizontal ground. So it's double the time to go up and come down. So for us to get the maximum height, we just require the time for one side of the motion. So when we divide the given value for the time of flight by 2, it gives us the time we are looking for. In this case, 4 divided by 2 will give us 2 seconds. So that's when we are going to now substitute. We have small t equals to 2 seconds. G is given already. I still said that. Now substitute the value of G to G, and then small t, which is 2, as you have seen on the screen. When you do that, you get a final answer of 20 meters. Okay, let's try the second method. Still look at the equation, it's still the same. Assuming we are using this expression, time of flight equals to 2u sine theta over g, and we now substitute the value of the time of flight into the expression, which is 4, and we try to make u sine theta the subject. We will get to this point where we have 4g divided by 2. Of course, that's what you see here is divisible, so we are still going to cancel it out till we get the lowest term. What I mean is, let me pick this. Okay, so this is 4 and 2. 2 can go here, 1. And 2 can go into 4, 2. When that is done, we will get u sine theta equals to 2g. U sine theta equals to 2g. But remember the expression for maximum height. Recall that maximum height is given by u square sine square theta over 2g. U square sine square theta over 2g. Alright, so look at the numerator of that expression. This one. This one is just like saying u sine theta square. This one is just like saying u sine theta square. So what we are going to do basically is that u sine theta is defined to be 2g here. So we are going to replace what we have here with 2g and then we square it. I don't know if you're following what I'm trying to say. Okay, so when you do that, then you have h equals to 2g square all over 2g. Of course, the square means we have double of 2g, like what you've seen here, of which this will cancel this. So when that happens, we will end up having 2g. Of course, g is 10, so when we multiply 2 by the value of g, which is 10, then we get the same answer as the one we had previously, which is 20. Okay, so that's how far we can go for this lecture. Please, this is how our home page looks like. If you have not subscribed yet, please endeavor to click on the subscribe button. When you do that, you will now have your YouTube channel to be subscribed so that any subsequent video we upload, you should be notified. Thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you in our next lectures. Have a wonderful day.